Hi, I'm John Sloniker, and I'm standing alongside Andrew Inman, and we work in the Automatic Control Valve and Fire Division here at American Backflow Products. In this division, we specialize in repair parts for all of your automatic control valve manufacturers such as Clayval, Watts, Wilkins, OCV, Bermod, and Singer.
In this video series, we will be discussing what an automatic control valve is, their main components, and also repair and troubleshooting tips. We will also be discussing the main three types of automatic control valves: pressure reducing valves, pressure relief valves, and altitude control valves.
Stay tuned for more videos on how to troubleshoot, commission, and repair these valves. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more updates. Thank you for watching.